I got a Fitbit Versa here. I'm going to show you how to change the band. Okay, very, very simple. So first thing is go ahead and grab your Fitbit Versa, and then what you want to do is turn it kind of upside down, looking exactly like the way I'm showing this right now. And this button will be on the top. Okay, just like this. Now you see this little needle here. What you want to do is press down and then take the top part out first, and then you can pull the bottom out. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so I'm going to this little needle. I'm going to go ahead and press down, and then this top part, I'm going to pull this one out first, okay? And then you can see I can pull that out. Now take note, if you look very closely, like these are actually two springs. There's a spring down here on the bottom, and there's a spring up here on top as well, okay? Now this top spring here, I can move it if I use this needle up and down, okay? So go ahead and grab the band that you want to replace, and then the same thing, okay? Make sure the button here is on top, and we're looking underneath the watch here. So first thing is what you want, there's two holes here. There's a hole up here, the hole up here, and a hole down here. So let's put the bottom hole in first, the little needle. Just go ahead and put that in there, and you can see it's in there, okay? Next thing you want to do now is we got to press that little needle down, and then keep moving this in and keep moving it around until we no longer see the top of the needle here. So I'm going to go ahead and press down with my fingernail like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and kind of like wiggle this in like that. Oops, I didn't get it. I thought I got it, okay? I heard a snap, but okay, so let me go ahead and go in it again, and then let me go ahead and, okay, so there you go. And then what you may want to do is trying to push this needle up just to make sure it's locked, and then go like that. Sometimes you hit like a snap, it snaps in place. Anyways, there you go. Pretty simple to do. Not as easy as an Apple Watch, but it'll do.